Hello everyone and welcome to this new Petsy cooking video. Today we will show you a new recipe for pancakes. Are you tired of doing the same old pancake recipe? Do you have extra bananas and frozen strawberries in your kitchen? Why not using them with your pancakes? Yes, today we will show you how to make strawberries and banana pancakes. To start, put 1 cup or 140 grams of frozen strawberry in a bowl and microwave them for about 2 minutes. By doing this will help the pancake mixture to be more liquid. After that, put the strawberries in a culinary robot. Add in the culinary robot 1 ripe banana and 2 eggs. Finally, you mix everything for about 1 minute. When this is done, put the mixture from the food processor in a bowl. Add 1 cup of flour and with a whisk mix everything until it's homogeneous. While mixing, add 1 cup of almond milk. When the mixture is done, in a frying pan, put some butter so the pancake won't stick to it. 1 ladle of mixture will give you 1 pancake. Cook the pancakes at medium-high heat. Spread it around nicely to make sure that when you're gonna flip it, the pancake won't spill all over the place. Cook one side of the pancake for around 1 minute, or until you see bubbles forming at the surface. After that, turn the pancake and cook the other side for about 30 seconds. And there you have it, your strawberry and banana pancakes. Don't forget to serve it with delicious maple syrup. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, you can subscribe to our channel and leave a like. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below in the comment section. See you next time and bon appétit!